An AI agent can forget a task and still remember the one thing you never wanted stored. A credential pasted into the conversation. N8n just shipped a focused fix for that failure mode. Before agent memory is persisted, secret-shaped values are now redacted. The change appears in the n8n 2.33 pre-release, published on July 28. The official pull request says observation logs, reflector compaction, and episodic memory could retain credential values from a conversation, then send them back to the memory summarization model. The fix routes memory writes through n8n's redaction engine and adds a rule for prose such as API key followed by an opaque value. Here is a small local experiment that makes the problem visible. Every credential in this video is fake. The conversation contains a useful instruction and a dummy API key. The unsafe writer simply copies both into an observation record. That raw value is now durable. A later compaction step, export, backup, or debugging view could expose it again. Now I put a redaction gate directly in front of persistence. The safe record keeps the useful task context, but the credential becomes redacted before it reaches storage. The example covers 4 common shapes: an API key in plain language, a password assignment, a bearer token, and a JSON web token. The important design choice is placement. Redact at the storage boundary, not only when displaying a log. The tests verify that the raw dummy secret is absent, a redaction marker is present, normal text survives, and the unsafe baseline still proves the original failure. All 4 checks pass. Pattern matching is not perfect. A secret can arrive in an unusual format, be split across messages, or look like ordinary text. So treat redaction as damage reduction. Keep real credentials in a secret manager, give agents the narrowest permissions they need, and avoid putting secrets in prompts. If a real secret has already entered an agent conversation, rotate it. Redacting the next memory write does not make the old credential safe. For n8n users, check the release status before upgrading production and test your own memory paths with dummy values. For any agent system, the reusable rule is simple. Sanitize before persistence, test for absence, and assume rotation is still necessary after exposure.